An MBBS today is zero. No campus placement even from AIIMS Delhi graduate. You show me one graduate who has got campus placement after passing out from All India Institute of Medical Sciences. Does not. Super specialist culture. हर चीज या तो मैं दिखाऊंगा तो मैं कार्डियोलॉजिस्ट को दिखाऊंगा, नहीं तो मैं नेल रिमूवल स्पेशलिस्ट के पास जाऊंगा. It is going from bad to worse. And judicially also, I fail to understand one thing. An LLB can rise to become Chief Justice of India, and rightly so. But an MBBS, he cannot practice anything which today is termed in a specialty. Very strange. Let us assume the MBBS doctor has worked with Dr. Neeraj Kumar in Chaitanya Hospital as a pediatrician, as a resident for, let us say, 20 years. He has worked in pediatrics under Dr. Neeraj's guidance. He has been working there for 20 years. Now this person is skilled and has adequate knowledge of the subject. So if there is a case filed against Dr. Neeraj, the MBBS doctor can go to court as an expert witness. This is Indian Evidence Act, by the way. As an expert witness, that MBBS doctor can go and give witness for or against Dr. Neeraj. But if on his own clinic he writes outside specialist in pediatrics, it is negligence per se. Nothing else is needed. So this emasculation of the MBBS, this super specialist culture, ultimately it is that one body. The person is doing Bachelor of Medicine and Bachelor of Surgery. Today you tell him he can't conduct delivery, tomorrow you tell him he can't conduct cholecystectomy, he can't do an IND. What can he do? He is doing medical transcription sitting in computer offices. This is what he is doing. This is the MBBS of today. Pay more but charge less. This is society what it is wanting. Today, National Medical Commission Bill has approved that private medical colleges can charge for 50% students any amount of fee they want. Any amount. There is no limit. They are charging currently up to 1 crore for MBBS and up to 3 crores for post-graduation. Commercial charges, all doctors pay for electricity and water. None of my advocate brothers do that. Am I right? We pay commercial property tax. No other service provider is awarded compensation in crores. In fact, in 2009, Supreme Court stayed a National Consumer Dispute Redressal Commission judgment which said that advocates are also covered under Consumer Protection Act, and that stay has still not been vacated. Now somehow I want doctors also to be clubbed into that stay, stay somehow, so that tomorrow if the advocate's stay is vacated and they are covered, we will also be. But unfortunately I do not get any support. And even though we are traders as per law, we are service providers as per law, I am running a business as per law, it is a commercial enterprise as per law, but I can't use the tools of business to do my business. I can't advertise. It's very strange. Either you say I am a professional. If I am a professional, why all these commercial rates? Or, so effectively, this creates a dichotomy. Tribune recently published this, 80 member parliaments own private medical colleges. This entire national